Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to fix the black screen problem in the OBS studio. First, let us see what's the real problem with this. First, open your OBS studio. Let us add a screen for capturing. Click on this add button, display capture. Now click on OK. See, there is no screen displaying over here. This is a black screen. Let us fix this problem. So what's the real problem with this OBS studio? The problem is with the graphics card. If you have two different graphics cards in your computer, then this kind of problem will arise. If your display uses one graphics card and the OBS studio uses another graphics card for capturing your screen, then OBS studio will not capture any video. In order to fix this problem, we have to change the graphics card of our OBS studio to our display graphics card. So first go to this search icon and search for graphics settings. So here it is, open this one. We have to add the OBS studio to this graphics settings. Now let us browse to our OBS studio. Go to the C drive, open the program files. So here is the OBS studio. Go to the bin. Here is the OBS 64. This is the application. See here, type application. Now select this and to add button. Open these options. These are the two graphics cards available on my computer. The power saving mode is the graphics card for the display. I am selecting this power saving graphics card, that is Intel graphics card, to capture my display in the OBS studio. Now let us close this. Now once again open the OBS studio. Now you can see that it is capturing the display. Now if you are using any games, then you have to change the graphics card again in order to capture those games. Now let's go to the settings. Here is one, the high performance one. That means the games uses the high-end graphics card rather than the basic graphics card. So you have to change the OBS studio to the high-end graphics card. Let's change this and save it. That's it friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.